Hello, you lovely people. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, in case you're wondering the reason of my excitement, well, Diwali is around the corner. And with Diwali around the corner, of course, it's the season of lots of delicious food and lots of shopping. Well, I have done my kitchen shopping from thinkitchen.in. Today, I'm going to show you two very quick, simple and easy recipes cooked in it. The first one is a Paneer Moti Pulao accompanied with Walnut Raita. Let's begin. Well, this possibly has to be one of those most wonderful pulaus, which in my humble opinion, over the last couple of years has kind of moved out of restaurant menus. And I really wonder why. Today, let's reignite that flame and show you how to make a Paneer Moti Pulao. Well, Paneer Moti basically are dumplings of paneer in a pulao. Let's begin. First things first, I'm going to take paneer, of course, crush it, crumble it, and convert that into little balls. Let's do that. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, couple of cumin seeds, salt as required. Let's mix this well and convert this into little dumplings. Let's pinch in little paneer balls like so and make that into a smooth little marble-sized ball. Similarly, let's make some more. With this, our Paneer Moti is done and ready. Let's move on to the frying process. For the frying, I'm going to use my Kitchen Craft non-stick eco fry pan, which I have taken from Thin Kitchen. Now, the best part about this is that this is coated with Hydrolon, which is a premium non-stick surface, which is of course water-based, and hence no PFOA in the manufacturing process. Let's add in the oil and allow that to heat. Well, slightly keep moving and turning the pan to ensure that it does not get burn patches. And also, in case you're making this moti for the first time, try one, see how it works out. In case it splits in oil, add in a little bit of cornstarch, wheat flour or refined flour, re-knead it and remake the balls. Time to pull this out of oil very carefully and transfer this on an absorbent tissue paper to ensure all the excess oil is absorbed by the paper. Now to move on to the cooking, of course, I'm going to use a casserole. Now generally, legend has it that to make a pulao or a biryani, we need a heavy bottomed or a thick bottomed pan. Now in this case, I'm using my masterclass sky blue casserole dish, which is extremely lightweight and durable. So let's begin with our pulao. Oil, regular vegetable oil or ghee, choice is completely yours. And along with this, some desi ghee. Let's begin with some whole spices, Indian bay leaf, blade of mace, a stick of cinnamon, black cardamom, and green cardamom. I'm going to add in sliced onions. Let's saute this on high flame till the onions just about begin to turn golden brown in color. Also, I'm sure you've realized by now that this is extremely lightweight and durable, which makes it user-friendly. You can use it on a daily basis, and the best part about this is it's made with aluminium, which makes it a good conductor of heat. Cashews and golden raisins, cumin seeds, couple of quick stirs. We'll add in the rice. Water, which is twice the quantity of rice. Along with this, some quick few spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder, depending on the spice and color that you're looking at, green peas, and lastly, salt. With this, whack the flame on high, give this a quick stir. Once the water on the surface almost kind of begins to bubble like so, time to cover this and lower the flame. You know, while the pulao is getting made, let's quickly make or accompany this with a raita. Now, usually for something like this, my choicest preference in this case is a walnut raita. Now, generally when it comes to raitas or things like that, it's important to mix all the ingredients well. In this case, I have this bowl which is a non-slip base. Now this one is my KitchenAid mixing bowl from thinkitchen.in. Now this is not just wonderful for mixing, but also works wonderfully well in a microwave, not more than 5 minutes. Let's begin. Walnut Raita. Curd, red chili powder, sugar, a touch of asafoetida, chaat masala, and cumin powder. Salt. Let's mix this well. Let's move on to fresh mint leaves. And finally, the star of this recipe, chopped walnuts. Toasted, untoasted is a complete personal choice. Let's mix this well. And with this, you're done and ready. Our pulao is also done and ready. Let's have a quick check. But as of now, this is just a pea pulao. Let's add in the Paneer Moti. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Paneer Moti Pulao with the most amazing, stunning Walnut Raita is done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, make this for your near and dear ones, and enjoy this festival of lights, happiness, and lots of shopping. Also, do not forget to visit thinkitchen.in for a world-class kitchen experience. The link you may ask, check the description box below. Bye for now.